Hey guys, Spence here and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're gonna be spray painting a computer's case. Well, I've been waiting this for a very long time and today we are gonna be finally doing this. And how I came up with this idea is that I was scrolling through TikTok like every teenager does these days, I guess. And I came across those videos where there are street painters. They have a bunch of spray paints and you pay them $20 and they do such an amazing art piece. I pull up a video right here on the screen if I will find one. And that's basically where the idea came from. So let's get started. Here we are in the other room. I have already disassembled this €20 PC case, so it's just bare bones. I also took out every single plastic piece of this PC case. What we're left with is this is a power button. I taped it so paint won't get through it. Probably gonna remove these stickers and try to probably put them back, I guess. I have also disassembled these pieces. I have disassembled those side panels. Took out every single component of this PC case. Here are all the screws. And of course bought some tape and some plastic wraps. No paint on my garage floor. And for paint we are going with this aqua paint. I really like this kind of color. This is a greenish, green mixed with blue, and I was really surprised that they had this in stock. And I went with dark blue color. I have some blue color from that old Soviet Russian bike spray paint. I'm gonna use some kind of probably fade out effect with this dark blue. So probably what I'm looking for is that I'm probably gonna do a half design, it's gonna be half dark blue, half aqua green color. So probably gonna spray paint this front panel with dark blue. Gonna do these small pieces with this aqua green color. I'm gonna be adding simple touches to the colors. Let's go outside to garage and start applying a primer. And then here we are in garage. I'm gonna be using this universal primer for spray painting these metal pieces. I'm not gonna spray paint those plastic pieces because this primer isn't meant for plastic, so I'm afraid it will probably make some kind of burn marks in the plastic. So better be safe than sorry, and I'm gonna just use primer on these metal pieces and not on plastic. And let's begin the time lapse. Okay, so this is after the time lapse of applying the primer. Everything is looking good so far. Well, outside it's raining, but I'm in the garage and these parts are looking great so far. I'm gonna go later in the day apply the second coat of primer, and tomorrow we will start painting dark blue color on all of the PC parts that you see here.
Scars have awoken. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold.
I finished painting the plastic pieces of the front case, and I painted this these ones in aqua, and this one right here, the front panel with this small piece, and this dark blue, but this dark blue really looks like purple. And for the design, I think I'm gonna be going for like a V-shaped type of design on the side panels. So like the side panels will be like sort of like a V-shape, and then the middle will be like, for example, aqua green. The front panel will be, the top will be also aqua green. The second also, the V-shape will be aqua green, and the sides will be probably dark blue or reverse. I'm still not sure, but I think I'm gonna be going with the aqua in the V-shape and the front of the case, because this aqua green really looks fresh actually, but in the camera I think it doesn't look like it. I think I'm just gonna put a cube of this color, how it looks in the video, because I really like this aqua color. So I think I'm gonna be going with this aqua color. And yeah, I'll see you tomorrow when I will be starting to paint these metal pieces. So yeah, see you tomorrow. Yesterday I still painted these side panels, and I mean, in the video you can see that it's not that fully covered in spray paint, but in person it doesn't look that bad. But in the video it looks like there isn't that much paint in some spots, as you can see probably somewhere here, but if you look closely from like in person it doesn't look like that bad. But talking about plastic, you can see that plastic pieces are very well painted, as you can see. Quickly focus, as you can see it looks pretty good. And as those front panel as well, as you can see there are little mark of aqua paint here, but oh well. I had to spray paint this side piece because there were some plastic, and you can see it as well. Quickly focus, yeah, you can see that it doesn't look that good, but I think it will be fine once it's put back together. And you can see some like spots that are like scratched or damaged. But right now what I'm gonna do is that here I have some masking tape, I have this plastic wrap, and the side of this PC case is like 40 centimeters, so I'm just gonna measure out 26 centimeters in the middle, and I'm gonna make a V shape out of it. And let's hope for the best that this tape doesn't stick on this and leave like paint marks on the tape. Let's begin the spray paint and measurements of the V shape. I finished masking like the V shape form for the both of the panels. Now I'm gonna apply this plastic wrap on the sides. They are not taped to the case, they're like just flopping around, but I think I'm gonna like stick them or probably do something so they stay, because if I will spray paint it will definitely like get over the tape, and it will be not the V shape but like some like effects, and I don't want that. But yeah, I will figure it out and I will spray paint this V shape on both sides. I barely had enough paint for the side panel, and right now I'm gonna use clear coat on those plastic pieces and this front, the top of the case, and I will do a time lapse. So let's start now. It's the next day and I think they cured up. Yeah, it's time to reveal the paint, see how good or terrible it turned out. I think I'm gonna start with this side panel. Let's reveal this, I guess. Okay, let's see. It's not straight, I can tell you that. But okay. Yeah, it's not straight. God damn it. Well, it is what it is, I guess. Yeah, you can see it's not straight. There are like some like small fade out effect going on with this paint. And you can see it over here as well. Let's open up the second side panel. This one turned out actually better, I guess, but I think, yeah, judging by the looks, this one is much better compared to that one. This one has a lot more on this side. This one is a lot cleaner, well, if you're not counting the top of the case. But actually, they look actually not that bad. I expected it to be way worse, but I guess it is what it is. Yesterday I applied clear coat on this top, on those plastic. Let's see how they look in sunlight. As you can see, they look pretty good. I think I'm gonna apply a second coat of the clear coat on these plastic pieces and on the top, and I'm gonna be beginning applying clear coat on these ones. So let's get started. So this is the progress so far. I took out those plastic front panel pieces and put them back together, and I can tell you that they look much better than those grayish dark colors. And I painted, of course, this one as well, and it looks much better as well. I really like this color, and tomorrow I will fully assemble the PC and we will check out the result. So see you tomorrow. Here is the finished PC. The finished product doesn't look nice, but for a homemade one I think it looks alright. The worst part is that in some spots the paint looks horrible and the side panel V-shape isn't straight. But what I really like most about this is the colors. And this shows that building a computer is all about customization and personal preferences. Of course, this video for some of you will be just like any other video, but for some, I really hope it's an inspirational video to go out and try to make something cool, something you like. And the spray paint video was my inspiration for me to go and do this. So thank you guys for watching and goodbye.